Students and viewers, you're once again welcome to the studio of Wismaths. So today, having completed looking at how to find the end stem of a GP, that's geometric progression. Today, we want to move a little further, and that's in considering how to find the sum of GP. Of course, we have two formula on the board, and they are used at two different instances. Now, the first a equal to open bracket r to the power of n minus 1 all over r minus 1 is used whenever we try to bring out the common ratio and we find out that it is greater than 1. And the second one is being used, just the reverse of this is used whenever r is less than 1. So let's consider a typical example to this effect. Example, say we are being asked to find the sum of the first 5 terms of the GP say 2, 6, 18. So we are being asked to find the sum of this. So it's ideal of us to bring out the parameters so we can see that very clearly. So let's say our first term A is 2. A here is 2. Find the sum of the first 5 terms. So our n here in this case is 5. And how about our r, which is actually a determinant factor in this case of which of the two formula should be used. So let's see now, 6 divided by 2 or 18 divided by 6 will give us the same answers. So let's say 6 over 2, that gives us a 3. So we can clearly see that it fits into the first one. Why? Because r, the common ratio, is greater than 1. So we go ahead to use the first formula. That's sum S5 equal to, where we see A, we drop our 2. Then R of course it is 3 to the power of 5, N is 5, minus 1 all over R again, R remains 3, minus 1. So let's continue. Let's see what that will give us. Well, S5 will be given as 2 outside. And what's 3 to the power of 5? It means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 in 5 places, and can confirm that will give us 243 minus 1 all over 2, 3 minus 1. So let's leave it that way for now. So this is giving us 2. This minus this will give us 242 all over 2. And that's S5 will be given as, this cancels this, so our answer is 242. Quite simple. Can actually like and follow Wismaths.